All right, the ES has got a long now. All right, so this should go all the way up here to 38.70. I should get my 10 ticks back right now. Okay, 66 up to 70. That'd be 16 ticks if it makes it all the way up there. The crude looks like it's got a little bit of a long trade going on right here. So it's looking like they both want to have a little bit of a push up right here, right now, the ES and the crude. Okay, that's what it's looking like. There's my 10 ticks back. Oh, that was 8 ticks. Crap. Was it 8 ticks? Yeah, 2 points. It was 8 ticks. Ah, crap, I gotta cancel that, cancel that, cancel that. Okay, I canceled it in time. I didn't get filled up there. It was 8 out of my 10 ticks. Okay, but I'm getting it on the crude right now. My stop at break even on the crude, I had a horrible entry on crude, it looks like. But my stop is at break even on that now. And 70 is what I was looking for on this. Okay, on the crude, I don't really have a good number for you. I like 86 right here. We should get through 80 and then get up to 86. Okay, so let me write that down. And so we're back up to 8 ticks on the ES. That was a blue off a blue on that one there, guys. You didn't need the slingshot on that one. Okay. Okay. Well then, Ashley, I have something that I need to show you, but we need to have a meeting. Since you've been gone for so long, we need to have a meeting anyway. Okay. This down close, right, I'm gonna end up with break even on the crude. This down close over here on the gold. Over here on the gold, right there. Right there was a short. I didn't get that. I did end up with a break even on this. I should have taken some profit on this. I was letting it run. It is 10:36, so we had no movement at all when the natural gas inventories came out. Right. So keep in mind now that the top of the hour, the natural gas inventory, the crude inventories come out. Didn't make it all the way up to 70 here yet. I didn't look up. Is there anything else beyond 70? Were you guys watching? So it's in kind of a rough spot. It's got a long trade right where it is. The ES also has a long trade right where it is. The ES, we went up to this level that I drew in here for you a little while ago on the ES, and the crude is now starting to run. Hang on, bump that. What number did I give you on the crude? I'm gonna lock in something on this because I didn't get anything out of the last one, and there we should have a good push right here on crude. I think we're on the 7 tick range, so if we get through 81, I think we're gonna get all the way up to 91. All right, that'd be 20 ticks if it makes that whole run. Over here on the ES right now, it's starting to move, and there goes the ES. Okay, I'm gonna lock in 2 ticks on that. I'm gonna lock in 10 ticks on the crude. I'm out with 2 on the ES, and I got 10 locked in on the crude. If it makes it up to 91, that'd be 20. I'd be happy with that. Lock in 11, that would put us at 20 on the day, and we're at 20 on the day.